Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
The severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for southern Screven County has been canceled ahead of time. It was to go until 7:30, but the thunderstorm has weakened, and still some heavy rain in southern and central Screven County. Capitol O getting some very heavy rain. Notice the thunderstorm actually moving to the southeast, but our sea breeze front is located right in this area, and it is actually moving to the northwest. And what's been going on this afternoon, the showers and thunderstorms will develop along that front and then move back close to the coast. So as this boundary continues to move northwest, we'll have intermittent showers and thunderstorms for the next few hours. So by far our best chance of rain this evening is going to be along and south of I-20, and for sure the farther south in the CSRA that you go. Headed into your Friday, we'll have a good chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms once again, but no rain in the morning. Starting off at about 73 degrees by noon. Still a rain-free day just like today. A lot of sunshine, hot and humid early, about 90 degrees at noon, but here come the thunderstorms by about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 96, another hot one out there on Friday. If anything, rain chances may go up a little bit tomorrow night because we're going to have a cold front coming through over here the weekend, and that's going to finally knock out the heat by Saturday and Sunday. Not right now, though. It is 97 sweltering degrees out there. Factor in the humidity, it feels like 102 at this hour. Around the CSRA, we hit 100. I'm not sure how many days in a row it has been, but I know it's been every day this week in Washington that you have hit 100. Right now you're at 99, also 99 in Lincolnton. Cooler to the south. You haven't had rain in Allendale, but you had that sea breeze front come through, and that has really cooled you off nicely. Your current temperature at 88. Factor in the humidity, 94 in Allendale, but the rest of the area feeling a lot warmer. Right now it feels rough in Thompson, 109 for a feels like temperature. Our forecast tracker offers big changes as we head into the weekend. First, it'll come in the form of some rain, then some cooler and drier weather. It's all going to come from this frontal boundary that has been stationary most of the week, but that's finally going to come to the south as a trough of low pressure aloft moves to the east, and that is going to allow that front to finally get to the south. Again, tomorrow, another hot and humid day. We'll have a good scattering of late day storms, and just like today, we could have a few severe thunderstorms. Cold front comes in here on Saturday, and that's going to be a more organized threat for rain, and there could be some strong thunderstorms again on Saturday. Another humid day on Saturday, but the front comes through by Sunday. That'll knock out rain chances and, more importantly, knock out the heat and humidity, if only for a couple of days. Our forecast for you Thursday night, partly cloudy, 20% chance of thunderstorms, the low 74 in Thompson, 75 in Allendale. For Friday, 30% chance of afternoon storms, 95 in Edgefield, 98 in Sylvania. And that was supposed to be your 7-day forecast coming up, but that's a preview of what we're going to see with the cooler weather next week. There it is, 89 and low humidity by Sunday.
All right, another reason to get excited for the weekend.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Chris.
Yeah.
It's allegedly cooler outside today, but you know, still feels pretty hot out there.
It does feel very, very hot, but it is going to cool off as
Even
we
more.
head into the weekend. But the trade-off this time of the year is that usually comes in the form of some rain. So we do have some rain on the way toward the weekend, but not much of it out there so far. Here's a look at our climate report. Another sweltering day out there. The official high 99 degrees. The record 104 back in 1914, so really nowhere near that record. Storm spotters did report more triple-digit heat across South Carolina today. 100 in Johnson, 100 from Melinda and North Augusta, but only 99 from Bend down in Rennes. Most of the area did stay below 100. In fact, in Allendale and Bamberg, the sea breeze came through and saved you from some hot weather today. Your high temperature today, 94, but we do have changes on the way. Here's our current temperature tracker. This big ridge of high pressure aloft will grip and bring a heat wave to the western half of the country. Our ridge of high pressure that was in place is being flattened out by this area of low pressure that is diving to the south. The opposite of a ridge of high pressure is a trough of low pressure. So instead of hot and dry weather, we're going to have some cool and wet weather taking us into the weekend. And then that trough of low pressure pulls away early next week, and we'll have a slow warm up, but nothing like what we saw for the past few days. Here's your temperature forecast. The end is definitely in sight. 96 again tomorrow, 80s by Sunday. Paige? Let's take a look at our radar before we go. A few showers across the extreme southern portion of the area, and those will spread to the north a little bit through the evening hours, but really not a lot of rain out there tonight. The boating and fishing forecast for you Friday, there is a 30% chance of afternoon thunderstorms, 95 the high at the lake level 329.5. Chance of rain goes up to 70% for Saturday, so keep that in mind as you make your weekend plans.
All right, thanks, Chris. Thanks for watching NBC 26 News at 7. We'll see you at 11. Good night.